There are scams in Upwork that is targeting freelancers like you and me. And this is something that you need to take note of. I don't usually create video like this. The last time I talked about scam or hack, which is on Facebook, where people contacted my friend to ask for access to the page. But for this time, the scam happened in Upwork. Now, this happened to me a few months back. I received a notification in Upwork where I got invited for interview. I did not create the video then because I think it will be bad for my business. But now I got everything in order. But still, because of that hack, it compromised my Facebook account, and one of my Facebook accounts is actually permanently disabled. These scammers, there's a lot of them. I can show you a few later. They want to scam Facebook advertiser. I mean, we are already having hard time going through Facebook platform, not getting banned, etc. And now we got a scam coming towards us, and also a hack. So this is something that we need to really take care of, especially for Facebook advertiser. So what they do is, when you reply to the invitation, they will reply to you straight away. I don't know where are they from, and they want you to open the file. They will give you a link, you download the file, but the moment you download, you will notice there's a few files. There's an exe file, but with the icon of Excel. I just double click on it and nothing opened up. I keep opening it up, and that's how my computer got infected. I don't know what happened, but it happened to me where it had my Facebook account and my business manager was gone. They created a lot of weird ads across the accounts that I've managed. Fortunately, Facebook catch it early and found that there's suspicious activity and actually banned all my account. And I don't want that to happen to anyone because, as I said, becoming a Facebook advertiser is already very challenging by itself, and getting hit by this kind of nonsense where they can use their expertise for doing something else, but instead they use it to harm people like us. I mean, it's kind of sad. All right. So let me show you how they do it, and then you can see how they start the hack. So as you can see here, I received an invitation, which is just 2 days ago. So they are looking for Facebook Ads Manager. Their job posting are usually very simple, just Facebook Ads Manager, and they're looking for hire Facebook Ads people to create ads. When you open it, it's already removed by Upwork because they found suspicious behavior for this account. And that's a good thing, but previously it does not do that. Okay, but it happened to me in the middle of the year on April or May. Upwork did not catch this yet. Okay, and that's why I was victim for one of these scams. Not something I'm proud of. So you can see that they have invited me. So there's this person, I don't know if it's a guy or a lady, Deborah Hanslick. I tried to Google search and it looks like a legit person, but the picture is a man. The name is a woman, but the person is a man. So it raises red flag. And then it replies straight away. The moment I put in my proposal, it replies straight away. It happens for a few times. This is one of them. All right. So they say that they are a furniture store. So they ask whether I have experience with this. I've been frank with them. I just checked with them. You know, there's a few ways that they can do, whether they can do lead gen, footfall to store, or sell things online. And they give me a website. So this website, it's quite legit. It looks quite legit because this is in fact a big company in Canada. And then they keep asking whether I've run a furniture store or not. So I focus a lot more on lead generation and a little bit of e-commerce. So I say I have not run for furniture because for me, I focus a lot on lead generation. Of course, I would want to niche down further next time. But for now, I think I can do it. He says, sounds great. This raised a big red flag for me because every time I see the scam, they say that they will spend $1,000, $2,000 on Facebook ads. This is normal in Western countries, but in new people that is involved in Facebook ads, they don't spend that much because if they have this amount, they usually won't go to Upwork. So it raises a red flag. If I have this amount, I'll just go for agency, a bigger agency. Usually, you're not able to schedule call with them. They'll keep delaying, giving appointment, but they won't appear. And then this is something that I know it's a red flag immediately. They'll send something to you. All right. They send this iCloud or whatever box they send in. So you may click on it. See, when you click on it, they will have iCloud drive you can download and is password protected. I do not want to download this. I do not want to have any other viruses in my computers because I've done some cleaning up with my computer already. All right. This is another person, Zener Allison. They're looking for Facebook Ads Manager. You'll discuss the project. I want to jump on a call, but they do not want to jump on a call. They want to send you a project file. Again, they put large amount per day, and then they send the information to my email, and I'm supposed to open, download the zip, and again, same thing. You open the exe file. You reply to them. You say that you can't open it. What's the problem? And then they will say that, oh, they'll talk to their IT, etc. By the time the hack is already done. All right. So please be careful in Upwork. I thought Upwork have already cleared it out, but apparently it's not, and it's back. So be careful when you see messages, especially from Upwork. Try to have a meeting with them before you open any files. Okay. And if you like what I share, just give me a like and subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Thank you and all the best. Good luck.